Now, similar to blur is noise. And again, I'm just going to leave the image that we've got so far working here and go get a fresh copy just so it's really obvious. And on my fresh copy, I'm going to go to filters, and then there's blur. 4 more down from blur is noise. And I'm just going to choose the HSV noise, as that's one of the most common. And if we zoom in here on some soldiers and maybe a little bit of the statue background, leave the holdness down around 1 or 2. And then just go ahead just to see the opposite extreme. Just grab the hue and drag it up. Grab the saturation and grab it up. And grab the value and grab it up. And just drag it up. And what you'll see is that there's a number of different ways to just randomly add pixels into the picture. And so you can try different values. I usually like to keep the values less than 40, but you can try going less than 10 or less than 20. But you can see that it sort of just adds random pixels in at various places based on hue or saturation or value, but still somewhere around there. And you can take a look at the two and you can really see the difference. So it's just going to be a lot more grainy. And when you hit OK, you can see it takes a second to apply itself. And then again, I'm just going to do Control Z. So that's what it looked like before, and then Control Y. And then just kind of go back and forth between Z and Y and Z and Y just to see how we've made the picture more grainy. And so then I can just go back to this picture and do the same thing again. And luckily for me, it actually remembered the values that I had. So I can just go ahead and hit OK. And there it is. So there's my picture. Control Z, Y, Z, Y. So you can really see the difference between the two. So that's noise.